Hello, Math 24 students, and welcome to week 5. That means we're 25% of the way through the course. You've done a lot of work already. Yay! So here we are at the home page. Want to make sure you know where the link to my YouTube channel is, where all of the Math 24 videos are available without the interruptions of the quiz questions. If you would like to re-watch them there, you can also speed them up a little bit if that would be preferable to you. Then we also have the Zoom recording links, so I would love it if before you turn in a quick quiz, you would take a moment to look at the Zoom recording and see if there's any errors you can fix before you turn it in. And then we scroll down to the button for the week 5 module. And as always, you're welcome to click the modules button. Just know that that will take you to the very top of the modules page, and then you'll need to scroll down to the current week's module. But what you might want to do is, as you're completing each week, use this little triangle button that's an accordion menu. It opens up the menu or collapses the menu. So here I have the week 5 module. This week is a big work week. Last week was a very light work week, so hopefully you got caught up, got your energy restored, and you're ready to go. So we'll have 2 quick quizzes and a shine quiz, the usual routine, a discussion board that you need to put your original reply by Friday, and then respond to your classmates by Sunday. And then there's a journal. And there are Newton homework assignments, 2 sections due on Tuesday. These are algebra review sections. So even though it's 2 sections, I don't think it's going to be a heavy lift. But section 12 is going to be a little heavier because we're starting into the calculus. So we're starting to talk about limits, and that's a pretty cookies on the top shelf idea that you need to give your brain time to wrap around. Then I have an anonymous survey here. You can get 5 points just for doing it. I just want to know, how is it going? I always like to check in at about week 5 and find out if there's anything we can change that would make the coursework better for you. So please take a moment. There are 5 questions asking you how each part of the course is working for you. So on Tuesday, section 11.1 is due. 11.1 incorporates some algebra review and starts talking about limits. So this is the least smooth section because of what I chose to leave out from last semester. So this first video is only 1:32 long because I cut out about 10 minutes of it, and then I cut some time out of the second one also. So there are 5 videos, but I added it all up, and it's actually less than an hour altogether, even though it's cut up into 5 smaller pieces. So feel free to space that out however it works best for you. You might want to do the first couple on Monday, and then one on Tuesday, and then some Wednesday. As you know, you can turn things in late with no late penalty. That's my effort to try and help you balance out your workload however it works best for you. Maybe you have a really heavy work day on Tuesday and it works better for you to get everything done Wednesday. Totally fine. So then on Friday, section 11.3 is due, and you can see that it's got quite a lot of material in it also. 3 more lengthy videos. And again, we're starting into the calculus here, but also incorporating algebra review. So we're almost to the big idea of calculus that we'll spend quite a bit of time on, called the derivative. So that's where we're heading this week. So it is a pretty high workload week. Next week there are only 2 Newton assignments, so hopefully that'll balance out. And let me just encourage you to balance your workload how it works best for you. I personally work best by doing a little each day, but I get to choose that. If that does not work in your life, I totally understand, and I hope you'll figure out a way to fit the approximately 9 hours needed for the class in whatever little spaces of time you have available to you. I would think about, when do you do your best work? Because if you do your best work at a time that you can work, that you're not doing it then, you could actually spend less total time if you do it when you're the freshest. Some students tell me they actually found that getting up earlier and working in the morning before they went off to do other things was a great time for them, and they got more done in less time. So just a thought to think about, what will make your work time optimal. Do you like it loud or quiet? Do you like it bright or dim? Do you need to be at a desk, or do you need to be somewhere more comfortable? And just think about those things and figure out ways to get the most out of your work time. Hope you have a wonderful week, and I hope you had a nice holiday and a lighter workload last week.